Ever seen a dress that lights up with your heartbeat? Or a jacket that cools you down when the sun hits? Meet the 3D textile designers, turning fabrics into futuristic magic. It's not just fashion, it's fabric that thinks. Hi, I'm Dr. W, professor, mom, and part-time career detective. This is Majors, Minors, and Maybes, where we stitch together surprising stories of real jobs you didn't even know existed. From the quirky to the quietly revolutionary, we are here to explore the world of work and all its wonderfully weird glory. Today's episode, we are talking about 3D textile designers, the folks creating fabrics that can stretch, shimmer, compute, and sometimes blink. We've come a long way since the loom. Today's textiles aren't just stylish, they are smart. 3D textile designers work at the intersection of fashion, engineering, and material science. Some create digitally printed fabrics with intricate textures that could not exist a decade ago. Others embed sensors into garments that can monitor your heart rate, adjust temperature, or even respond to voice commands. Think couture meets code. Meet Jamie. I'm a 3D textile designer and part-time magician of mesh. My job? Make fabric do things it's never done before. This week, I'm prototyping a performance piece for a dancer. The fabric needs to stretch, glow with movement, and still breathe enough that they don't faint under the stage lights. I start with a CAD, computer-aided design sketch, then digitally weave the textile using a mix of recycled yarn and thermochromic thread that changes color with heat. Yesterday, I tested a sample that shimmered from blue to pink as body temperature rose. My lab partner cried. It was gorgeous. Some days, I'm at the computer modeling material behavior. Other days, I'm in the workshop soldering circuits onto a crop top or dyeing fabric with microalgae. One time, I helped develop a hoodie that charges your phone using kinetic movement. It's not always glamorous. Sometimes your threads short out. Sometimes your textile printer eats your favorite swatch. But when it works, it feels like alchemy. Jamie's story shows how creativity, science, and problem solving collide in this field. Whether it's sustainability, accessibility, or just good old-fashioned sparkle, 3D textile design is pushing boundaries of both fashion and function. It's a perfect path for tinkerers, makers, artists who love sketch, and engineers who color code their closets. Okay, curious minds, it's time for office hours. Let's do a fabric test. Do you love building things with your hands and with code? Are you curious about how materials behave? Ever dream of fashion that adapts, transforms, or reacts? Then the world of 3D textile design might just be your runway. Most designers start around 50 to 60K, with senior roles or wearable tech innovators earning up to 90K or above depending on the industry. Many start with a degree in textile design, fashion tech, industrial design, or material science. You can go on to obtain a master's in textile design to specialize in a particular area. Experience with 3D modeling software, wearable electronics, and sustainability is a huge plus. Where do they work? Anywhere from fashion houses, R&D labs, tech startups, costume departments, the automotive industry, and innovation hubs at sportswear or performance gear companies. It's part studio, part lab, and part sci-fi movie. Expect a mix of solo prototyping, team collaboration, and a healthy dose of trial and error. Did you know Adidas once made a sneaker upper using a 3D knitted process that required zero cutting or stitching? That's right, one seamless shoe, printed like a sock, and strong enough for athletes. The future of fashion, fully programmable. Did I mention this process reduces waste compared to traditional manufacturing? If your dream job involves a soldering iron, a sewing machine, and a bit of fashion drama, let me know. Share your textile tinkerings or tech fashion obsessions with us at Majors, Minors, Maybes. And don't go far, because next we're diving into the cutting-edge world of climate informatics. where bugs meet big data to help save the planet. Until then, stay curious and stay creatively stitched. Thanks for tuning into Majors, Minors, and Maybes. I'm Dr. W, and remember, the future of work might just come with LED thread and a smart hemline. See you next time.